guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can do an affiliate method in the cryptocurrency niche and make some really good money, about $1,000 possibly per sale on affiliate sales. All right, making money with affiliate marketing in the cryptocurrency niche sounds like a good thing with you. Stick around and watch this video. We're going to go ahead and get started on it here right now. But for those of you that are new to my videos or new to my channel here and you haven't yet subscribed, well, anytime during the video, when you think about it, reach down there below the video, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, okay? Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started on this here. I'm really excited to show this to you. It's a really good method, I believe. It's easy to do, and it is all 100% free to do as well. And I'm going to show you also a couple of places and how you can market this thing and drive a lot of free traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so first thing we want to do is come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called BlockFi. You see it right here. It's right up here in the address bar. It's blockfi.com. Alrighty. And this site, it's a crypto site where people can come here. It's sort of like an exchange or that kind of thing. You can buy and sell and even earn crypto on this site. And they have all kinds of different products. So they've got their own wallet, credit card, and trading account, and so on and so forth. So you can actually do trades as well on here, and even on your cell phone as well too on this site. And they even have their own credit card and so on and so forth. So it talks a little bit about it down here. Over 15 million in crypto paid in rewards to date, no annual fees. And it comes down to low cost trading for leading cryptos. Exclusive benefits for high net worth clients. Borrow money at rates as low as 4.5% APR. And then a little bit of company news and so on and so forth. But what we're doing is we want to come down here to the bottom. And you see right here where my mouse is under the services column right here. And you see where it says partners right here, guys. You want to click on that. They do have a refer a friend here though. But it's the partners that you want to click on for their affiliate program here. And it says join the BlockFi partner program, BlockFi partner, and start earning passive income by introducing your audience to financial tools for crypto investors. So every month, it's a passive income. That means that every month when they renew their subscription to this site, you're going to get paid again. All right, over and over and over. That's recurring or passive income. All right, so then they have the benefits of being a BlockFi partner. It's got some information on it and stuff right here. And you can earn commissions right here. It says, look here, earn up to $1,000 for every referral. Get paid directly into your bank account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you should probably get one, particularly just for this method at least. And then the email that you use to sign up with at paypal.com, you're going to use the same email when you sign up into the affiliate program here on this site. All right, and then it says here, diversify your program, earn commission in cash on multiple products, and there's no cap on the number of referrals that you can have. It says how it works here. It says just becoming a partner. Once your application is approved, you get access to the promotional resources and your affiliate links, and then promote BlockFi and earn commissions, and then track your success. You'll be able to track that in your back office and so on and so forth. So what we want to do is you want to come up here, you want to click on here and fill out their form and become an affiliate of this site. I mean, it's the usual, fill out your name and all your information and stuff all the way down through here. Once you get that filled up, it might take a day, I don't know, probably maybe a few short hours. They'll approve you as an affiliate and you'll get the ability to log into your back office here with all your promotional materials and your affiliate links and so on and so forth. Now, once you have your affiliate program established on this site, what we're going to do then is we're going to come over here to Google and we're going to be using an article in this, okay, and how we're going to market this, all right? So I typed in how to make money with crypto up here in the search engine, and I found this article right here, how people actually make money from cryptocurrencies, all right? And I clicked on that, and it brought us over here to this page right here. It's by wired.com. It's an article, how people, it's actually, you want to find an article, try to find one that's close to today's date. Not a real old article, but something that's relatively new, all right, when you do your search in Google for the article. All right, like this one has the date of March the 13th, so it's not quite a month old yet. And so it'd be a pretty good one here. And it's not a real long article, but it talks a little bit about it and so on and so forth there, and how people can get started. So we're going to be using this article here. Now, how we're going to use this article, guys, is you want to come over here to this site right here. It's called Snipply. You can see it right up here in the address bar. It's snipply.io. What this site is a URL shortener and link management platform, and allows you to put a call to action link at the bottom of any website that you want. Any website link or article or any website page that you want, you can put a call to action. But of course you want to keep it congruent with your product, right? So as our product is the cryptocurrency, what you want to do is now you can sign up here for free. They have a free account here, and they have paid accounts as well here, but you only need the free one. The free one is good enough for what we're doing here. So you can get started for free right here, and you can see they have the free account, and they've got the other paid packages right here, but the free one is good enough for what we're doing here today. So then you just want to click on sign in, and you can create a local account here, or you can just sign up with your Google, Twitter, or Facebook account. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. All right, so when you get logged into Snipply, it brings you back here on what's called your dashboard here at the back office, so to speak. And then what you want to do then is create a new call to action, or a new snip. All right, so what we're going to do is come back to our article, and we're going to highlight the link to the article up here, and we're going to right click it and copy it, and we will bring it back over to here, and we'll paste it right in there, just like that, and we'll click on create a snip. All right, so it creates a little call to action snip here, and it brings up that article. It should be bringing that article up here in a moment, I would think. But you can see down here, yeah, there it is. It's coming in now. But you can see down here, guys, this is your call to action right here. All right, and you can edit this right here. So let's go ahead and edit. We'll click back over here. The brand is, you can have your picture there and so on if you want to upload like a little picture or whatever that you want, and it'll show up right here. But what we want to do is we want to edit this little thing right here that's going to show up when somebody loads up this article. They're going to see this down there, and they, out of curiosity, will probably click on it. So we want to click on here, and we'll come over here, and you got your button. You can change the button text and stuff, text link here. We're going to put our message in here, enter your message here, and we're going to type in here something along the line, earn up to 11% on your, and you can see that it showed up right down here, guys. It's down here on that as we typed it in. Now the link text, you can put whatever you want, click here, or we can type in maybe even like learn more, right? Learn more. And that should, yeah, you can see that it changes it down here. The link URL, this is where you want to put your affiliate link right here, guys. You'll want to paste your affiliate link where it says link URL. So that's when they click learn more, it's going to bring them through your affiliate link right back over here to a BlockFi. And if they look at, of course, if they look through and they like what they see, they will be able to purchase on this site. And when they purchase, you will end up making money. Well, that's how you want to do that. But you can change the colors of this. We'll click like continue here, and it goes on. You can change the theme. Just change it up all the way around and make it look a little bit different like that. And you can change the background color, the text color if you want, the link text color, which is the learn more, and then where you want it at the bottom left or you want it at the bottom right. And so on and so forth, and logo, and then click finish the call to action. So when you click finish it, this is the link right here, guys, that you're going to want to promote. This link right here. Now, how would you promote that? Well, I'm going to show you two good ways. You could use your creativity. There's lots of ways you can market this, but I'm going to show you two good ways right here. What you can do is come over here, like the search engine. I'm using Microsoft Bing right now, but you could do this in Google too or whatever. I typed in crypto forums. And if we scroll down, you can see that down the way here, there's top 35 cryptocurrency forums here and discussions, guys. You can use forums to market your Snipply link in, your call to action link right here, And all you want to do is show them in the forums, get to know a little bit of people there, join the forum, get yourself known, and then you can just offer the article, just say in your posts that you found a really good article that will, show you how to make money with crypto. Show people how to make money with crypto. And then you paste that Snipply link, your call to action link right here, or your Snipply article link. And then when people see that, because they'll see your call to action down here at the bottom, and then out of curiosity, they'll probably click on that, and that will bring them over and to the BlockFi site, guys. And then you'll have an opportunity to make some good money. If they like the tools on the site and they want to buy into it, you're going to make up to $1,000 per one sale, and recurring every month too, because of resells and recurring sales. Then you can do that with crypto forums. That's one way. And then how about even on like Facebook, guys? You can see that I came to Facebook. I'm logged into my account, clicked on groups, and then over here, all I did was type cryptocurrency group. You see it right here, and it brought up all kinds of groups with several tens of thousands, 100,000s of members in these groups. So that's some high free traffic, people interested in cryptocurrency. And you can join these groups, get to know people. You don't want to spam, but just get to know people by conversing with them, and add a little something at the bottom of your post that I found a good article teaching you how to make money with cryptocurrency. And out of curiosity, they'll click on that Snipply link, because it's going to be your Snipply link right here you're going to have. And they click on that, and they'll come over out of curiosity. They'll see your call to action button at the bottom of the article, and you will be able to make money when somebody clicks on that learn more right there. And then it takes them over to BlockFi. And then if they like it and they buy, you've made up to $1,000 just like that. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. It's a really pretty good affiliate method. It's easy to do. It's 100% free. Should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. And you can certainly begin to get started on that with today, right after this video here. Alrighty, well, guys, that's what I had for you today. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, leave any comments or questions down there below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, go ahead and do it now while we're talking about it. Click that subscribe button and click the little notification bell down there as well. All right, guys, and if you want to see a high-ticket affiliate promotion free video that'll teach you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to reach down there and click in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch this free video presentation that'll show you how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye, man.